The Godot community creates all kinds of amazing games and prototypes every day, and this video is an example of it. Prepare to leap from building to building, spill the blood of your enemies in ingenious ways, have fun mixing free assets from here and there, execute breathtaking stunts in a stunt car, and much more in this compilation of 7 incredible creations created in the Godot game engine. Developer Underdog presents us with the work he is currently working on, NOSHOT, an ambitious first-person shooter set in a futuristic world. In this game, the protagonist is a thief with great physical skills, as you can see. Jump between buildings, slide under pipes, and perform all kinds of tricks while doing parkour between skyscrapers. If you want to see more about the work of this developer, you have a link to the full devlog of this game in the video description. In this action game, which shares some visual similarities with Minecraft, players take control of a character whose goal is to navigate through different challenges, defeating enemies using both wit and the resources available in the surroundings. The game's creator, Eldido, drew inspiration from a variety of games, including Dark Messiah of Might and Magic, among others. His aim was to craft an action-packed experience that also challenges players to create the best strategy possible and the most effective ways to conquer their adversaries in a variety of scenarios and situations. You can try the demo of the Adventures of Sir Kickalot today at the link in the video description. Peter Traylor's quirky prototype game demonstrates that simplicity can be key to have fun in Godot. By cleverly combining free assets from various sources, one can craft an engaging minigame that's both enjoyable to play and visually appealing. In this game, you step into the role of an AI-controlled car with the task of safely transporting your passenger. Crafted by developer Archeron using Godot 4, the game was developed in a remarkably short span of 4 months. The idea arose when the developer had a conversation with a friend about AI and how it could be misused. This game is a humorous representation of this potential reality.
Full brakes.
Prepare yourself to get your passenger to their destination, in one piece, if possible.
I don't know what you're doing, but that's too close.
Backup and Drive 2 invites you to drive cars designed for executing astonishing and seemingly impossible stunts on your journey to the finish line. Glide on lifeguard rails, execute backflips, and engage in a variety of wild tricks, all enhanced by a vibrant arcade flair and a visually stunning style. So, get ready because it's time to back up and drive. What you see on the screen is a simple prototype from developer samsfacee. When I see these types of prototypes, I feel nostalgic for those years when we enjoyed the magic of F-Zero and their dizzying races with futuristic cars. This is just a prototype whose objective was to have a fun time with Godot and Blender, but the result looks quite interesting, in my opinion. Rise of Fati, created by OGames Studio, is a video game dedicated to honoring and sharing African culture, serving as a dynamic homage to West African folklore. Guide Fati as you navigate through enemies using her remarkable stealth skills. Explore stunning locations inspired by ancient African cultures, and unravel his compelling story as you progress through the game. And that's it for this compilation of these 7 incredible creations from the Godot community. If you want to see more awesome creations, click on the video you see on the screen to discover 8 incredible games and prototypes made by the Godot community. Leave me a like if you liked this video, and consider subscribing to my channel to see more similar content like this. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Goodbye.